What's up guys, this is Anthony from Hawkeye Rides. I'm here at Loki Mercedes bringing you this brand new Mercedes-Benz 2020 S560 Cabriolet. MSRP on this one's going to set you back about $138,000. This one that they're selling today is $154,000 and some change. This is Mercedes-Benz Flagship in luxury, top of the tier. We're going to go over the details starting now. Exterior components on the vehicle has been more or less moved to the 2020 from the 2019. So not a lot of changes in the fascia, all LED in the front. You're going to get some nice bullet points inside in the grille. This one's not an AMG spec, so it's not AMG bumper specs either or front, but you still get that really nice aggressiveness in the hood structure with the lines. You have a 3-line tier just to show you that it has that race heritage. A 0 to 60 is about 4.5 seconds on this vehicle. Things that they have updated in the vehicle is now you're going to be getting advanced package with keyless go, and you'll also be getting the premium package that is now standard in the Cabriolet in the coupe. The premium package is going to include your ventilated, your heated, your massage front seats, and also armrests on the door panels will be heated as well. Now the length of the vehicle is about 192 inches long. It is not the longest length. However, the E-Class is, and that one at 198 inches long. The wheelbase, however, is at 115.9 inches, whereas on the E-Class it'd be 113.2 inches. In the rear of this luxury brand, what they've done is they put the OLED lights. This is 33 thin organic LED lights. This is going to project sculptures of light whenever you're hitting the brakes, also backing that 516 pound-feet of torque and 463 horsepower with the diffuser, chromed out tailpipes, effortless one touch to open and get inside your cargo, which is 6.9 cubic square feet, effortless to close, can get 4 different colors, and this is a 3-layered fabric which lasts even longer and more durable in most soft top convertibles. You're also getting 20-inch around all the wheels. These are perforated, they are ventilated, disc brakes as well for front and the rear. Also putting the top up and down, effortless within 20 seconds either which way. All the windows are dual pane for a very quiet ride. This vehicle also has the standard air cap, so when the top is down, it doesn't put in so much air to the inside of the cabin, whether you're in the front or the rear. Your air conditioning can still flow. The way they have the aerodynamic set, it literally just goes over you and just touch and cushions over your head. This is literally like a Rolls-Royce or a Bentley. You got the massage seats in the front, you got the heated and ventilated seats in the front, heated seats in the rear. You also have a heated armrest. This vehicle also has so much functionality and technology in the upgraded 12.3 infotainment screen and the driver digital cluster. Open up inside here is how you would take the top down, or you have more USB ports here, SD card reader, couple of cup holders here, some sufficient space here for your phone as well. This is the new and upgraded touchpad. You also have different driving modes in the vehicle. So you have your Eco, your Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and Individual. So you can actually change the whole suspension, derive it the way you want it to be, or you could just leave it in its everyday comfort level, or you can go Eco and it'll function the auto start stop feature as well. Entering inside, you got the genuine Napa leather. You also got a 2-tone with contrast stitching as well. Here's for your adjustable seats for the driver. Same as well on the passenger. 3 memory seat seating. You have your ventilated and heated 13 Burmester sound system. This is that perforated, cross-stitched, very elegant leather seats, and the headrests are also power adjustable for all of the size of the vehicle. This is your keypad that can change everything on the infotainment screen. Here's the storage area. Also, you have your wireless charger, 2 USBs, a SD card reader there. You also have your 9-volt there. Your dual climate control setting. You got the touch pads on both sides of this real wood with a nice soft touch Nappa leather, and your front headspace for both the passenger and driver is at 37.7 inches. Rear headspace is almost identical as the front at 37.6 inches. Leg space, unfortunately, they don't put the stats on Mercedes.com, and Mercedes doesn't tell you. But I'm here to tell you right now, if you put this seat back to the position I'm in, it actually adjusts and you can fit two people. I would say I'd have to move up a couple inches because I am 6'3". You do have some storage compartments here. Also, you can put this armrest down to make it more pleasurable. Open up in here, some more storage, and then here's for your cup holders that just pop out like that. The rear headrests are adjustable as well. You also have heated seats in the rear, and exiting out, you just push this lever, it's going to slide right up. Easy access to get out. Rear design, as you can see, you also have this little wind skirt whenever you put the top down. Here's that area for the storage, or you can close it up and you can see that really nice wood grain texture. You can open this up here as well. Going into the infotainment, just hit the home screen button and you can see kind of what we have. This one does have HD radio, XM. This one also has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This one you can do everything through the My Connect app as well. Dynamics in your select mode basically changes everything in your vehicle, as you see, not just the engine, your transmission, your suspension. You also have your assistance here. So if you click on that, you have your traffic sign assist, your cameras for both the front and the back, active brake assist, speed adjustments. You got your blind spot assistance, your adaptive cruise control. Basically, we'll turn the steering wheel for you. You don't have to do that. Now we're going over your 12.3 driver digital cluster. You can show for your services, your trip, your navigation, which would show into the center, radio, media, your phone, heads up display. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. You can change the way the design is, so you could have it as sports, or you could have it as a classic. You could have it as progressive. So now we're taking this S560 Cabriolet out for our little ride. And this vehicle is literally a car that can be driven either for pleasure or you can have a butler drive you. This vehicle can literally change lanes with the push of a button, stop and go in traffic with your cruise control. This is the adaptive cruise control. It can also read the sign functionality. So when you enter school zones, it'll automatically slow down. Right now we have it kind of in a cruise mode. You cannot hear anything outside the cabin at all. Super quiet. You can change everything on the fly too. So if I want to change the dimensions of my suspension and everything, now I'm changing it to a sports mode. You do have paddle shifters as well, so this vehicle is ready to go. The seats also push air on any side that you're turning, so you don't ever move in the seat. So now giving it some gas, and you can just see it is lovely. It's not a very beefy exhaust note, but it's just enough with all that comfort to back it up. So you get that 4.50 to 60. Now we're going to show you the adaptive cruise control and basically where the car just drives semi-autonomous for you. So you just pretty much set the cruise control, whatever speed, which we're gonna speed up a little bit. It does also have the blind spot monitor. Now it wouldn't be a review if we didn't put the top down and give it a little gas in S mode. So here it is, so you can hear that engine. Oh yeah, lovely note. And the S-Class is super quiet once you get it up to speed. And if you don't, I mean, you're gonna hear that nice exhaust note. So either way, it's just beautiful and lovely. You can change it back on the fly to your comfort mode. Very simple and easy and effortless. With the top down, it is super quiet. The aerodynamics, they did a really good job. Everything just fits and is efficient in this vehicle. The craftsmanship is just beyond measures. It is a little bit long, but it isn't much longer than a large SUV. And you do sit kind of higher up. Take maybe a few days of driving to get used to that. However, it's very simple because again, you don't have to do hardly anything. The car drives itself 100% for you. And your reverse camera, so you can see it is 360. It's dead in the sun and you can still see it, which is really nice and clean. It is a longer vehicle, but it is pretty easy for the most part. You do have the sensors in the rear as well and in the front to make it easy. And I'd like to thank Wes here at Loki Mercedes for giving us this 2020 Mercedes-Benz S560 Cabriolet for our car review. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Click in the description, check out the merchandise and all the details we do here at Hawkeye Rides.